Welcome back. Let's do question 2.5. A company conducted a research among all its employees on what percentage of their monthly salary was spent on fuel in a particular month. The monthly salaries of these employees remain constant, and the number of liters of fuel used in each month also remains constant. Now, if the fuel price increases from 21 Rand 43 cents per liter to 22 Rand 79 cents per liter at the beginning of next month, how will the above ogive change? So nothing is changing except the fuel price. So what will happen here? It means that the percentage of the salary used by each employee for fuel will increase. Now, those who are using 5%, they will no longer use 5% because the fuel price has increased. So it means the 5% one will shift maybe to 5 comma something percent. Okay, the percentage of salary used for fuel will increase. Even those who are using 10%, the percentage that they use will increase because of the increase in the fuel price. All the points are going to shift to the right just because of what? Of the fuel price increase. All the points will shift to the right, meaning that the ogive will shift to the right.